Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial of Tech Assist. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on sound on Reddit account on your device. Now if you have watched a bunch of video on Reddit and you still cannot figure what is up with the video as it does not display the sound. Now in order to turn on the sound, all you need to do is watch the video till the end and make sure to follow the steps correctly. Now first and foremost, you need to log in. So for that, go to your web browser and on top there is a search bar, type www.reddit.com. Now as you can see that I'm logged in and I'm inside a profile page. Now on the same page, right in the center, there is a video. So first I'll play the video. Now as I tap on the video is played but there is no sound. Now in order to turn on the sound, all you need to do is go down to the bottom on the right hand side on the video itself. Now down there, right in a corner, there you can see a volume icon. So beside the volume, you can see a cross icon, which means that the video was mute. Now in order to increase the volume, tap on it and you can see there was an increase in the volume. So once again, I'll play the video. So as you can see that my video has displayed the sound, which means that my sound on Reddit account has been turned on, and this is how you can turn on your sound on Reddit account on your device. And that's all for this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.